It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John at Patricia's Art Emporium. Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hope everyone's having a great day. This is a 14 by 14 canvas that I did a colander pour on and didn't like it. So I put some white paint on it, and now I'm going to do 2 flip cups. And I don't think I've ever done 2 flip cups before. So I just am curious to see how this comes out. Any questions, John?
No, I'm going to check the ribs though.
Okay, you're leaving me on my own to do this?
You're on your own.
Okay. Here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3, flip. 1, 2, 3, flip. These cups are kind of difficult to work with because they're kind of squishy.
I know they are. Oh, look at the pretty colors. Look at, you're going to pull towards you, right?
Huh?
You're pulling towards you?
Yeah. I forgot about that.
Or did you want to pull away from it?
No, I just forgot that I was doing that. I was looking at that. That's pretty cool.
You know you're going to dump the big splash up here, so you're going to have to
I'm going to move it.
And then goes down slowly. Then when you get past that thing, you got to go slow, I think, so it doesn't come to a
Past
point.
here, you mean?
Don't do that.
Lift it up and go?
Yeah, nice and go. Oh, nice and slow.
Oh, yeah, I don't go slow. Okay, I'll do the other one slow.
So you see, you get the paint to come down there.
Okay, let me try this one then. Ready?
Yeah, looks like a ping pong paddle. Maybe matching ping pong. His and hers ping pong paddles.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
I did it slow.
Yeah, but you did it up here.
Oh, well, I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
I don't know what you're supposed to either. Looks good. You put silicone in there?
Nope.
Look at all the what you call it you got.
I know. That's why I was trying to. I know I want to move it around a little bit before.
You sure you don't want to pop the bubbles first?
Nope.
Oh.
I want to move it around a little bit so that.
Oh, you're a crazy woman. I'm telling you.
I'm thinking that's what I want to do.
Sounds good to me.
These are 2 totally different colors. Note to self, I want to be on the other side all the time.
Other side, why?
I'm more comfortable, I don't know why.
You're more comfortable on the other side of the counter?
Yeah.
Look at all these pretty things in here. What colors did you use?
All different colors.
Oh.
I just poured colors in there because I just...
No silicone.
No silicone. I'm just, I'm a little, not annoyed, but frustrated with not having anything come out nice lately. So I figured let me try this and I'll just put all different colors.
Gold is pretty.
I put copper and golden. I don't want to lose those
Look at this down here.
cells there. Yeah. See, I have a hard time focusing the camera this way. I got used to doing it the other way.
Well, come over here. I'll move the camera for you.
I'm a creature of
No
habit.
problem. How do you know I take care of you right here? Slide right over.
Thank you.
Hold on, cameraman action here. There you go. Now you're back on the old side again.
Ah, thank you. I'm home.
I like the red streak down the middle. I think that's cool. You gonna run it off the edges so you do the sides or no?
Yeah.
Probably.
I'm trying to.
Maybe.
Actually, it's kind of weird, but cool.
You know what I would do?
What would you do?
I'd move it this way, get rid of all that color that's on the bottom.
This color?
Yeah.
Why, you don't like it?
No, it's just kind of a big solid blue.
Blue.
You get rid of that blue and get that red get the red in here just to open up a little bit. But don't listen to me.
Oh, look, there's cells popping now.
Don't listen to me. Been married 75 years, you know.
79.
Where are you getting those cells from?
I don't know.
Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Ah.
I think if you just move it.
Well, you know what it is. I think the paints are all mixed with half Deco Art and half Floetrol.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Then that could be it.
Well, that's the ones that I mixed yesterday for you.
Oh, shoot! How did I get that?
You didn't just put it there, did you? Oh, did you put it here? Oh, you must have. That's okay. Looks cool.
Try to get this to move down a bit.
Get your focus in here.
I'm messy today. Duh.
Nice. Looking nice. You gotta get rid of this stuff here down in the corner, don't you? You get up, you're trying to get this. Oh, look at how pretty the
Yeah,
blue
I'm
is
trying
in
to
there.
get the stupid corner there. There's a lot.
Probably should take the lazy Susan away. Just do it on the sticks. You don't usually work. You don't usually work on the lazy Susan.
Yeah, I was wondering why I was having such a
Want me
hard
to
time.
take the lazy Susan away?
Well, at this point, what's the difference?
Okay.
Thank you, though.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. When you get down there, then you can pull it back and get rid of that stuff you have down the other end. Go over the edge, go over the edge. Be done with it. Where's your edge catcher?
Oh, jeez.
That's kind of interesting. I like that, like that. This looks kind of neat, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
With this nice purple deal going down in here.
Yeah, if I could
You have
only
to
get
just
the...
smush the edges a little bit. You'd be all
let's
set.
see if I could get what needs to be here. I'd rather not have to move it too much more, you know what I mean?
I'm hearing you. Which way you want to go?
I want to go...
Want to go this way, get this corner, so what you're looking at? Okay. There it goes.
Oh, that's moving really fast, though. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, hold on. I need to put a little more weight there.
Well, be careful now, don't do a white
I
more on
know.
your...
There. Come on.
Easy with your finger painting. Oh, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. It's coming. Yeah, like, keep going, keep going. There you go. Oh, nice. I like those colors.
Having a hard time today. Just put a little more.
Look at. You have to go over anything if you put it over there.
I'm sorry?
You turn it like that and put the white there. You don't have to go over top of your painting with the white jar.
Oh, sorry.
You know what I mean?
Now I do.
Yeah, that way you don't have to worry about dropping the drop into your painting.
Smart move, Johnny boy.
That's me.
You're a schmata. Don't touch
You
it.
had white there. I'm just getting a fix for you.
You do a lumpy job of it.
Oh, you're a lumpy job.
Come on, just move over there fast. Come on, come on, come on.
Fast, up we go.
Yeah, it's definitely a challenge for me on this Lazy Susan, John.
Sorry.
No, I'm just saying.
There's like some bursting bubbles over there.
What's that?
Still bursting bubbles.
Yeah, I gotta bring that over here because I gotta.
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Ready for it?
Almost.
This is pretty, this blue here. Do you use the metallic colors in there too?
I used like almost all of those different things there. All right, now I got.
All of those colors.
Excuse me?
I said you used all of those colors.
I need to get that covered up.
You have the stuff here. You can, like you used to do. You have some over here too, if you need some extra. I was going to do this corner for you, but you yelled at me. So do it, whether you yell or not.
You know what? You gonna do it whether I yell at you or not?
Not me, I didn't say that. I didn't say that. Not me. If I move the Lazy Susan like back and forth like this while you do it, will
Will it bother me?
it put you under a little more stress or something?
Yeah. Well. All right, now I gotta go.
Oh, you still got a spot here.
I know. That's why I'm gonna go this way.
What the hell, man? Oh, you're gonna pour it?
Pour.
You're gonna. Oh, I see what you're doing. You're almost done. You're almost done. You want me to move with my finger?
No, just tell me when it gets there. Please.
It's not there yet. It's not there yet. It's not there yet. Not there yet. No, it's not going to be there.
It's not gonna come?
Oh, look at this now. These colors in here.
I know, that's why I wanted to move it a bit.
I think you need to do this with your finger over here.
Okay, I gotta do this over here.
Because you got the color right here for it anyhow. It's right there.
Hold on, I gotta do this corner here. Oh, that's the wrong color there. That's gotta be this color.
You want to finish that on camera or off camera?
Oh, I need the thing. Yeah, I'll do that off camera so I don't have to. That's kind of interesting, isn't it?
You want me to do it or you want to do it?
You could do it. It's couples painting. Just don't burn in my painting.
Little bubbles bursting there. Tons of little bubbles. Hey, never mind.
Hold on. Anything going?
Anything going?
Anything?
Well, there's one spot left, that's all. On this side over here, and then you're good to go. Look at those colors. They're pretty. They are pretty colors.
Hopefully it'll stay shiny too.
Oh, yeah, right.
See, I got this spot there.
Did you get it?
I'm getting it, but
Yeah,
I don't
this
have the
corner
right
still.
color.
Yeah, get this corner too. This corner too, see?
Yeah, I know, but I need the right colors, and I don't have the right
They're all
color.
over the place. There's colors here.
Here it is.
There it is, see?
Sort of.
There's 18,000 colors on there, and you're worried about the right little color for on the size of a pea?
No, it's bigger than the size of the pea. One little piece.
Okay? Well, it looks pretty. Pretty colors. Did a nice job.
Okay, guys. I got a couple of corners still to figure out here, but it's much nicer than it was before. So, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, afternoon. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and bang that bell to be notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, family, neighbors, and co-workers. Check out our paintings on eBay at Patricia's Art Emporium. This is Patty and John doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium, saying thanks again for watching. Please be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.